Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. Beautiful latte. And I need this. We had a shocking night's sleep last night in our single beds. So the hotel is going to move me to my own room. Because we just didn't know that the configuration was 2 single beds. It's very strange in a hotel, but they're very accommodating, so that's good. Okay, I've just got a simple breakfast this morning. A little bit of mushrooms, scrambled egg and on some sourdough with my coffee. And I think Jill's just getting some fruit. We are having our own private swim in the lap pool. So, they moved me down the hall to 611, which is exactly the same. So here we go. Perfect. So they're so lovely. I just said I'm just gonna have to get my own room. And they said sure. So perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. So it's just down from Mum's. It's perfect. Coming! Nana! Coming! Oh, hello, darling.
Hi, darling.
Welcome to my house.
It's a very nice house. I think it's exactly the same.
It's exactly the same as your house.
Oh, look at your bed. Wow, really?
Yeah.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yes, thanks.
It's identical to my house.
Yeah, we have the same house. Same taste. Look at me! In my t-shirt dress and my new hat. This is my second day tourist outfit, but this is the, how can I show you the back? I can't. Oh, yes I can. This is the new long line menswear cotton on tee I got, which obviously says faux. This is the cool Glassons kind of Saint Laurent inspired hat I got because I needed a hat. I am wearing my beautiful new Chanel chevron rectangular mini. I'm wearing my compression leggings and I'm wearing my Gucci Aces because we're gonna go and what are we gonna do, Jules? We're gonna explore, possibly looking at going on one of just the little domestic ferries across to
Devonport.
Oh, Devonport. And do you want to show them your tourism outfit? Are you? Oh, you're not wearing your new black sneakers.
Oh, I don't have to.
Oh.
They're really comfortable.
Oh, okay. They're from Country Road. Trousers from.
I can't remember. They're so old, but they're very comfortable.
And a lovely sweater. I saw a comment that someone loves your sweaters.
French
like
Connection.
French Connection and your witchery. Okay,
No,
the map doesn't go with the ensemble, so maybe can the map. Witchery pouch, I say.
Witchery pouch.
Little witchery leather pouch.
With the chain treatment here.
The train and the leather break.
Treatment.
And the
COUTURE.
Mimco.
JERUSHA.
Mimco. Okay. What are you dressed up for Diwali? Are you dressed up for Diwali?
Yeah, holy moly girl. There's a little mini pet in there.
Oh!
Oh wow.
Give me a yes, honey.
Yes.
Woo! To narrate it. I'm so scared right now. She has to narrate what just happened. We were walking.
The chopper looking as well.
No, Mum, it's too far away. walking to the harbour just now, and there was...
I'm just walking to the harbour to get the ferry, and on the intersection, suddenly a car in a chase, a police car.
Like, his wheel was busted, like spinning off. I thought he was going to crash.
Smoke coming out. Oh no. Another police car. And could you hold the camera straight?
Sorry.
And Jerusha freaked out and started shaking. So far, 4 police cars chasing this guy that's obviously done something very wrong. That's all.
And it scared me so much, I don't think we can go on a boat. Because I don't want to go near that area. Did you see his wheel though?
Yes, I did.
Smoke was coming. Oh, hell no. No. I don't want to get hit by a car. I will die anyway in life if it has nothing to do with the car. Period. I will not. Oh, who is he? He's escaped from jail. He's escaped from jail. Oh, shit, girl. Seriously? That is like 10 cocktails after that guy. Dude, this guy has robbed a bank.
He probably has.
On a holiday. I think it's the Bounty.
He taught me well. Very small though.
We have stopped for lunch back in, this is the opposite side harbour area. It's beautiful. First time I'm using this baby. We stopped at Marvel, which should be nice. I forgot to get Mum's and my food on the vlog, but my food was wrong. There was some bacon in it, and I don't eat bacon. But Mum got the, what?
Seared scallops
On a pumpkin puree.
This is a pumpkin, and this is butternut, and this one's plain with pomegranates.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. And then this is beautiful broccolini with
coconut something sauce.
and I'll show you mine when it comes. I am being such a terrible vlogger today. I didn't show my burger, I just ate the other half. But these are hand cut chips, and I ended up just getting a cheeseburger with pickles and tomato and lettuce, and it's very tasty. Seriously guys, I literally cannot get over this bag. I'm so in love with this bag. The lamb skin is just buttery soft. It's so puffy, so poofy, so beautiful. Let's show you inside. It doesn't really hold a lot when I have my little classic card case. Oh, sorry. Like classic large wallet that I showed you the other day in the vlog. It's not a lot of room left, but there's my iPhone 7 Plus lip balm, a couple of notes, and then I'm actually utilizing the pockets. Got the mini because it's pliable in a way, like it's not super hard. Oh, you guys, I'm so in love with this bag. Oh my god, in love.
And got my dessert, my gelato for the day. And on the top is coffee, cappuccino. But this is sesame gelato. It's really got a fabulous flavour.
Oh, fabulous, Jill. Oh, yum. I'm fine, thanks. Looks beautiful. But let's go. But I'd choose the second navy one. You can't copy me. You have to choose one of your own. The second navy one looks like the most zhuzh one. Jill's wanted this hat as well in Glassons. A few people on Instagram just said, where did I get it from? I got it from Glassons, Australia. However, guys, this is dead set a Saint Laurent ripoff. The runway straw hats look exactly like this, and then they have the boater one, didn't they? They actually had the
I
boater.
love this one. She wouldn't let me get it.
No, I wouldn't. She said, I want it too, and I said, no, you can't copy me.
Talk about nasty. I thought I looked really good in it.
Look, I never said I was a nice
I'm going to
person.
sit on me, look.
I never, when Will says you're so mean, I said, I
Don't you
never.
think I look really cool, you know?
You do, you look like your sister. You look like your sister. She has twin sisters, and one of them always wears hats like that.
You do a Jerusha.
Okay, hat back. I chose that, but you can't copy me. Which one? Did you choose the grey one?
I don't like that.
What about St. Bella?
No. I would have said the one.
I knew you would have, because you copied me. See? Ding. This is the one I chose. Kalan. And then Mum copied me, because it's the zhuzh. Read it.
That's Jerusha.
Oh no. You mean coming here to the spa?
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh. Pretty. Sorry, I'm just
No, that's bad.
beginning. Oh, beautiful. We're finished. So pretty. Oh, hello. Look at us in the chairs.
Treat.
What a treat.
What a treat.
I would like to inform everyone on today's vlog. We're still in the spa. We're in the ladies' room in the spa. Why you can hear the shower running. In the whole beauty parlor section here, I'm going to straighten Mum's hair for the vlog. I saw Kris Jenner's hair the other day. It looks so good. I'm going to do it to Jill's. Are we ready?
No.
Okay,
my
let's go
God.
decide where I want the part. Maybe we will sit down. This looks so good with the spray as well. You know? Can we see this light? Oh my goodness.
How hideous does that look? Oh my goodness.
You look so good. I don't know what you're on about. It's still got
is.
beautiful volume.
Absolutely
It's very modern.
hideous.
Hey, you know how Mussy sleeps with his fire trucks and horses?
Do you want to sleep with your bag?
I'm going to sleep with my Chanel Mini.
Okay.
Just look in the mirror and then tell me you hate it. Come on, choo-choo. And don't just say you hate it because you think you do.
I look something hideous. Like hideous beyond belief. Can you understand
Do you
that?
even know how chic I like?
Chic? What's chic
You
about
look-
shit? It looks shocking.
So show me what you love about your spiky hair. Go. With all your
This is what-
spikes.
This looks. I look like Mary Mupp from the butcher shop down the road.
Okay, now tell everybody.
I'm back.
She feels so much like herself.
I felt like I was Mabel from the butcher shop.
I told her, do you ever feel like you just put your finger in a PowerPoint? How cool is this? How cool is this little booth? So this is in the hotel. We're just going to have a little quick light dinner because it's actually late after our spa treatments. This is so cute.
8:30.
8:30, Jules. 8:30. On the vlog with flat hair, however, movie glasses, she just rubbed her eye and goes, I bet when I move my finger I will have a completely black smudge. Look at her eye.
You know why? Because the face.
Okay guys, sorry I didn't show the food. I'm a bad vlogger today, okay? That's the answer. Too tired? You're gonna have a good night's sleep tonight. I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!